In this guide, we are going over everything you need to know about C-Moon here in Bizarre Lineage, how you can get it, and the best build. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, C-Moon is a part of the evolution line that starts with White Snake, and it's the middle stage before the final evolution, Made in Heaven. Compared to White Snake, C-Moon adds a lot more abilities and gives you a lot more of a stronger moveset. It's pretty crazy. But the first step is getting White Snake, which is a mythical rarity stand, meaning it is fairly rare, and you obtain it just by using stand arrows, which can be found in random pickups around the map, whether it's from treasure maps or sometimes purchased from these shops as well. But because the drop rate is pretty low, you're probably going to have to use several arrows before you can even obtain White Snake. Once you do have White Snake, the next step is prestiging. To prestige, you need to go to the hospital and come over to this Archmage right here, interact with him. But you can only prestige if you're level 50 and have at least 10,000 cash. But when you prestige, you're going to lose your current level progress, but you can gain bonuses that help with long-term progression. After you prestige at least once, head to bus stop 18 and enter the cemetery area. And of course, you can really enter this by going to any bus stop and then just fast traveling over there. But once you're in here, you need to go ahead and look for the large cathedral and talk to the NPC named Pucci. Pucci will give you the quest called Journey to Heaven Part 1. To complete this, you need to defeat Okuyasu Ninja Prime and then win 10 1 versus 1 matches, and then complete 10 PvP mission board tasks. From here, complete the Jotora raid 3 times with an S rank, and then complete the Dio raid 3 times with an S rank, and finally the Kira raid 3 times with an S rank. Once all these are done, you'll receive an item called the Green Baby. You can open up your inventory and then use the Green Baby to trigger the evolution, and your White Snake will turn into C-Moon. Now, obviously, C-Moon has a bunch of abilities. The first ability is Barrage, then you have Gravitation Reversal, and then Rock Barrage, as well as Gravity Crusher. Now, Gravity Barrier is also pretty good too, and you also have Piercing Blows. And since many of these moves do contain stun and knockback, it's a super strong combo focus stand. By chaining your abilities together, and you can really chain any of these together, you can keep your enemies locked down and deal a ton of damage while preventing them from fighting back. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.